10 proven strategies to boost productivity in the workplace. Welcome back to our channel, Uwaomz Concept. In today's video, we're exploring the top 10 strategies for supercharging workplace productivity, whether you're a team leader, manager, or employee looking to enhance your performance. These tips will help you achieve your goals and excel in your work environment. 1. Establish clear goals. Setting clear and achievable goals is essential for driving productivity. Ensure your team knows what they are working towards and how their contributions align with the organization's objectives. 2. Foster a positive work environment. A positive work culture can significantly impact productivity levels. To create a supportive and motivating workplace, encourage open communication, provide constructive feedback, and celebrate successes. 3. Encourage collaboration. Teamwork makes the dream work. Encourage collaboration among team members to leverage individual strengths, foster creativity, and achieve better results together. 4. Implement time management techniques. Effective time management is crucial to productivity. To optimize your team workday, encourage your team to prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and minimize distractions. 5. Offer professional development opportunities. Investing in your team's professional development enhances their skills and boosts morale and engagement. To empower your team, provide training, workshops, and growth opportunities. 6. Embrace technology. Leverage technology to streamline processes, automate repetitive tasks, and improve efficiency. Introducing the right tools can help your team work smarter, not harder. 7. Promote work-life balance. Encourage your team to prioritize self-care and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Balanced employees are happier, more engaged, and ultimately more productive. 8. Provide regular feedback. Feedback is essential for growth and improvement. To help your team members reach their full potential, offer regular feedback highlighting their strengths and development areas. 9. Recognize and reward achievements. Acknowledging and rewarding your team's achievements boosts morale and motivation. Celebrate milestones. Recognize outstanding performance and appreciate their hard work. 10. Stay flexible and adapt. Flexibility is vital in today's fast-paced work environment. Encourage your team to adapt to changes, embrace challenges, and continuously seek opportunities for improvement. And there you have it, 10 proven strategies to boost workplace productivity. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, share and subscribe for more valuable content to help you thrive in your career. Uwaomz Concept expresses our deepest gratitude for your incredible support as we end this words of wisdom and inspirational journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the following video.